Yakitori is a Japanese style of skewered chicken. It is prepared by skewering the meat with kushi, a type of skewer made of steel, bamboo, or similar materials. After that, they are grilled over a charcoal fire. During or after cooking, the meat is typically seasoned with tare sauce or salt. Informally, the term refers to all kushiyaki, grilled and skewered foods. Yakitori, like sushi and tempura, is a serious business in Japan. Chefs at specialty restaurants would go so far as to source special breeds of chicken from specific regions known for their distinct texture and flavors. Various butchering, skewering, and grilling techniques are used, and customers can select from a dizzying array of options, including thighs, breasts, wings, skins, livers, cartilage, tenderloin, and gizzards. Yakitori are typically cooked in step-by-step fashion due to their convenience and portability. Traditionally, it was done with portable charcoal grills. Although this is the most common method used by yatai, restaurants may use stationary grills and, depending on the situation, higher quality Bington charcoal. To ensure even cooking, the meat is cut into small, roughly uniform shapes and skewered with kushi before being seasoned and cooked. Charcoal is the preferred cooking method because it produces high heat and strong flames while emitting little to no water vapor. This allows the ingredients to cook quickly while giving the skin a crunchy texture. While gas and electric heat sources can be used, the aromas and textures of charcoal-cooked yakitori are not the same. Yakitori seasonings are primarily classified as salty or salty-sweet. The salty variety's main seasoning is usually plain salt. Tare, a special sauce made of mirin, sake, soy sauce, and sugar, is used for the salty-sweet variety. Powdered cayenne pepper, shichimi, Japanese pepper, black pepper, and wasabi are some other common spices. This shop, Omatsu Yakitori, which is located in Saitama-ken, Kawagoe, is famous for its mouth-watering yakitori recipe. It is known to sell out hundreds of yakitori orders a day. As you can see, it is already swarmed with long lines of hungry customers. If you ever come visit the area, be sure to make a quick stop here and try out this famous Japanese delicacy.
8本の2本水なし、あとハイボールとレモンサワー。言ってたみんな花火大会にだから白かったら家で食べて待っててあげるって言うとそれ絶対食べた。無料っていうか、働いたから。